Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to add the logo, okay? Now, I didn't put the logo in here, but if you did work with me in the previous project, and I happen to have it on my desktop, I do have a logo there, okay? Right here. And I also have this. So let's go ahead and let's import that. So if you don't have that file, you can go to your favorite web browser, go to learntechprojectfiles.com and go to AfterEffects 2022. Click on project number 1. I'm not going to download this, I already have it, but you can grab all the content there. So project number 1, logo, okay? That's if you don't have it. If you have it, you're good to go. And this is where you can kind of deviate away from what I'm doing and do your own kind of thing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use what we already have. And instead of using this background here, I'm going to delete this, okay? And what I want to do is I want to import the logo and also the background, okay? So right here we have these two right here. So I'm going to highlight both of those. I'm going to bring those in. And in the previous video section, I should say, project 1, we animated the logo, okay? So we could grab that. You can do that if you want. You can grab the video and import it, the logo animation if you want. But what I want to do is this. I want to bring the blue background in, okay? Then I want to bring the logo in. And I'm going to push that down, hold shift, like this. So actually, this is going to be the effect. I want it to be like